Today's video is sponsored by myself and my webshop hsMVY.shop. Please go check it out. The new website is now live and we're constantly adding new products to get you a better shopping experience and the best possible tools and materials for your hobby needs. In today's episode, my buddy Eric has started working on the 1/8 scale Lancia 037 from IXO Collections. Now, the first package has a couple of body parts in it, so that's what he started with, and then he's moving on to some chassis, engine, and more chassis components. The front and rear sort of subframe chassis bits are separate parts, and of course the engine fits into the rear subframe, along with a lot of the suspension components, some wheels, and other stuff, etc. So that's going to be done first, and then we're moving on to the interior bits and probably the exterior in upcoming episodes. So first off, some chassis assembly or some subframe assembly for the front. Then we're going to finish off the engine and put that into the rear subframe. The kit and all the parts are kindly sponsored by IXO Collections. I did not pay for these parts. I am aware that they might be a bit pricey, but to each their own, of course. Now, if you are interested in one of these kits, I will be leaving a link in the description down below to the IXO Collections website, where you can order packages and assemble one for yourself. For me, that's it on this episode. Enjoy all the video content. Let Eric know if he's doing a good job or not, and I hope to see you guys next time.